All right. Hello. Welcome to some more F1. This is episode 3 of 7. Yep. If you haven't seen the movie, go see it. I mean, it's not an ad, but it's just a really good fun movie. It's not really much to do. I'm not going to sit here and let's just race. That last chapter kicked my butt for some reason. Monza could provide APX GP drivers Sonny Hayes and Joshua Pierce with a rare opportunity to surprise the fans and outperform the top teams, but with rain threatening, are they pushing their luck to breaking point? Oh no, I think I know what's gonna happen.
Pierce looks to be in a great position to finish in the top 10, and maybe even a run to the podium.
There's still a long way to go in this race, and with rain potentially forecast, anything can happen.
Is that Monza? No, that's Imola.
Okay, Sonny, let's just start to put some pressure on those ahead of us.
No, that's Monza. Okay. Never mind. I take back what I said. Let's run it. Yep, this is Monza. Gotta get to Gasly. Here, Gasly. Only a real F1 fan would understand that. If not, insert the clip.
Daniel Ricciardo!
Yeah, Gasly! And hit the brakes. Early. All right, bro. Yeah, my gear is definitely too low. Oh my god. Dude, the amount of times that I've like fucked up that corner, that was beautiful. Sorry. It's because I knew you weren't gonna be able to keep it. I'm sorry. Alright, let me chill with my ERS. Let me let that shit charge. Too low again. Bitch, what gear am I supposed to hit that shit in? Alright, let me chill on this swearing. My fault. It's... You know, 5th gear. That was sloppy. Dude, how... Alright. Okay. That braking point is too early? Bet. Alright, you want to talk about too early? Bet. How was that?
In the next few minutes.
Fuck out of my
gap to the
face.
car ahead, 1.8 seconds.
Come on, I got it. Slingshot engaged.
Fantastic. 2 cars at once. Really well done.
I don't think I got it. I think it said by lap 8, no? I don't think I got it. I might have to redo it. I think if I redo it, I'll probably just, I don't know. I'll probably just insert the last lap. Damn. Alright. One more to
Okay,
go.
Sonny, let's just start.
Let's get it. I think I'm gonna save my ERS. Fuck. Oh shit!
A bit more.
Let's put it in a hot lap. We need all the juice. Dude, he's 10 seconds away. Excuse me. Didn't see there. My bad. It's like I want to try to commentate, but I'm so locked in at the same time. Know what I mean? It's kind of why all you're getting is little side comments and not any real commentary. Excuse me.
You're running low on ERS. Reminder that you can play around with
Excuse
ERS
me?
mode.
Oh,
with
you little
FD,
shit.
Or lift sometimes and ease onto the brake pedal for some manual recharge.
Perfect breakpoint and perfect gear. Oh my god! Perfect again? Told you, say you bitch!
Just 7 laps to go, and here comes the rain.
Let's see who plays it safe. Safe for the switch to the intermediate time. And might gamble to stay away.
It's getting tricky out here, guys. What's the plan?
Whoop.
You're running P4. We think P2 and P3 are switching to Inters for safety, and it looks like P1 is staying out. What do you want to do?
What's Sonny gonna do?
Take a wild guess.
I'm staying out.
Copy that.
Oh my god, I am not.
Okay, Joshua,
How do you expect me to catch him on mediums? What? You're crazy.
We'll be seeing at least 20 minutes of light rain.
Call me the Rainmaster. Alright, you ready? Oh, let's go, baby. Oh, this is hard. Not gonna lie. Two more.
Okay, gap to the car in front, 3.2 seconds.
This is some Lightning McQueen stuff right here. Dry tires on a wet track. Only Lightning McQueen could do that.
And that's a 6-second gap.
6-second gap that I'm gonna destroy. Let me just catch that toe real quick, you know? Sure. That's gonna be a penalty.
Great maneuver. You made it look so easy.
Yeah, get out the way, old man. Is that Verstappen? That's gotta be.
Okay, information on Verstappen.
Verstappen.
4 seconds.
You know, this game actually feels pretty good in the ring, honestly. Compared to 24, I don't think I did it.
You're catching the
Oh,
car
I still have
ahead by a
time?
couple of
Oh,
seconds
this
a lap
game.
now. It's really good.
I got it right here. It's set by what, 13? Dancing. Come on, I got you. You're dead,
Gap
bro.
is just 1 second now.
This corner right here.
Tell JP to wait for the straight into turn 1. Be patient. Straight and turn 1.
Copy. Joshua, Sonny
Oh, this is the. Oh, man.
I'm right there. I've got him.
Pierce is right on the gearbox of Verstappen down the back straight at over 200 miles an hour.
See an opening. Going for it.
The rookie
Bro,
attacks
the
in
logic
11th.
just makes no sense.
Pierce pulls alongside the Red Bull. His wheels ahead for the first time ever. MVP. Oh no.
Bro. Oh, it didn't show the full thing? Wow. I guess to kind of give you a little... I guess that's good because that gives you a little tease, but that crash was crazy. I've seen a crash like that happen, and... Anyways, not going to end it on that. I was about to do this shit like I'm on the bike. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one, and have a good day, night, whatever.
What a fucking idiot! Woo! Give it a little woo! Just do my little stretch real quick. Nice and comfy. Come on! No! That's why you buy Tasteify.